Breakfast time conversation. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm very hungry. Great. I made your favorite breakfast. Yummy. What is it? It's pancakes with honey and fruit. Wow, thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Now eat slowly. Okay, I will. Don't forget to drink your milk. Yes, I won't forget.
Thank you for watching. I hope you all are learned something new today.